This exercise relates to English Language Paper 1, Question 3. It looks at how the passage sets the scene and creates atmosphere, and how it raises expectations in the reader. Let's look at the questions. First A. What has just taken place? We see that the story begins in a church where a service has just ended, so the answer is a church service. Next B. And what do we learn about the story's setting? Here are the key phrases. So, it's a winter afternoon and the sea is within earshot, so it must be nearby. In C, we move on to analysing the effect of the language. Look at the phrase, slowly darkening under the close clouds of a winter afternoon. Gradually increasing darkness at the end of a winter's day is gloomy. It could also be seen as mysterious. It's getting harder to see what's happening, and the clouds are oppressively close. In short, we could say it creates a gloomy, mysterious atmosphere. Now let's look at D. This is another question looking at the effect of a phrase. It's very still, very quiet, even though the congregation are still in the church. It could suggest that something important is about to happen, perhaps relating to the sea. The stormy sea hints at danger. So, here's a possible answer. Now E. The parson and his clerk may be unnamed because they're not going to be important as characters, but the writer hints that the sailor is going to be important. He's described as the congregation might see him, a mysterious dark figure in a sailor's garb, which means the clothes he's wearing. Not naming him yet creates a mystery. So we could say, now F, the final question, is up to you. What do you think will happen next? Could it be something to do with the sailor? It seems quite likely. Here's a possible answer. If you want to know what really happens, look up the story online.